maybe he knows transpose key. He knows to transpose. He knows the key, how to listen the key. Let's say his transpose is, let's say it's 0. He's playing just 0. Let's say it's 0. Then your transpose will be always positive 5. Let's say you are backing him, or you are playing second keys, or you are synthesizing for that person. Your transpose will be always positive 5, because it's 1 2 3 4 5 from 0, from C sharp, 1 2 3 4 5. So your transpose will be always positive 5. If someone plays with F and you are playing with C, you want to synthesize for that person, downgrade 5 times. That's it. Kanjalo in A flat, if someone plays with C sharp, you go 7 up. If someone plays with A flat, you want to synthesize with C sharp, go down 5 times. That's it, guys. It's simple as that. In between la, you go 2 down. That's it. I will do another video, guys. I don't want to make a long video, but this is what I can do. This is the first part. I will release a second part of this video explaining how to transpose. Yeah. What I didn't teach also is what, let me see, but I'll explain lots. I was trying to cover everything, cover 3 keys in the same video. That's why the video just became long. That's it, guys. That's how you hear a key. Lipia ligama la esisindiswa ngalola alikhweli igama la esi. Okay. Yesu lo odwa. That's how you hear transpose. That's the last part. Yesu lo odwa. I'm not sure. Yesu lo odwa. Yeah, that's it. You see. That's it, guys. Okay, another thing that I didn't teach. This is this. Okay, let's say you got your transpose. You're transposing using any key. Your transpose is at positively. Let's say it's C sharp. Your transpose is at positive 11. Positive 11 is equal to negative 1. It's the same key. It's the same thing. Just that this one is on a higher octave. This one is on a lower octave. Octaving, more octave down or up, you are still in the same key. I was on Shinju key. You just that octave. But this is low octave, octaving up. This is octaving. You see, that's it. Okay, this is 0. 0 is equivalent. If I say positive 12, I've just octaved up.